Hello everyone, in this video, when people mess with the wrong cops, we'll witness moments where reckless choices meet instant consequences. From bold resistance to unbelievable aggression, these encounters prove one thing: messing with the wrong cops never ends well. Joseph Solinger was ordered to pull over, but instead of cooperating, he drove off and ignored the police signals. His refusal quickly turned into a chase when he jumped out of the car and ran. In the end, officers were forced to use stronger measures. No matter how hard you resist, you can't escape the law. Keyshawn Sims unexpectedly walked into the Youngstown Police Department lobby in a mentally unstable state. Officers tried to approach and help, but he suddenly became aggressive. The situation escalated quickly when Sims attacked an officer. Actions like that only make the consequences worse.
You called me retarded. Say that shit again. You're mental. Think I'm playing, bro? Huh? Ain't nobody f***ing mental. Can call somebody so I can talk to someone. Get off. Say that shit again. Say that shit again. We can do this all day. Yeah. Yeah. See you again. Hopefully. I got taser on him.
He kept resisting even after failing to escape, turning the situation chaotic and forcing officers to use a taser to restrain him.
Use the ladder to get up. Drop it. I'll bring it to him.
Come here. Giant curious, how do you say it?
Hiding never works because with the law, one appearance is enough to close off every escape route. Officers located a suspect with multiple warrants, but he acted innocent and tried to resist. That decision is something he will soon regret.
Stop, you're gonna get tased. Put your hands behind your back right now. Get him, get him, get him. Get his hands, get his hands.
Put your hands down.
Get your hands. Now.
Put your other hand down.
What's okay? Brother, you got a warrant. A warrant for what? Hey, don't move, you're gonna get tased again. Don't move. Do not move. You're gonna get it again. You good?
I'm saying, what you take me 2 times for though? I did.
So you did it.
Houston police confronted a car theft suspect, but he tried to fight back and run. Things became more dangerous when he attempted to attack and grab an officer's gun. And the law always has a way of responding when things cross the line. What started as a simple traffic violation quickly escalated into a dangerous attack. Instead of cooperating, he suddenly pulled out a knife and stabbed Officer Wright in the neck, making the situation extremely tense. The law will never show leniency toward attacks on police officers.
Or what he did.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. All right. Hands behind your back. Down. Give me your other hand. Give me your other hand. I need a medic. Immediately, I need a medic. Breathe. Sit down.
You can't think and pack at the same time? Yeah, we're not
The cross officers were called about a man destroying property and refusing to leave a house. He did not cooperate despite being repeatedly asked to leave peacefully and even mocked the officer's taser. Police had no choice but to use stronger force. Challenging and taunting the police has never been a smart move.
They don't want you inside. You're not going to go inside the house. You're not going to go inside the house. You're going to get tased. Stop. Stop. Put your hands behind your back.
Oh, yeah.
Put your hands behind your back. Do it now.
Oh, yeah.
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Put your hands behind your back. Now.
Got a cash in my Help me, buddy.
Stand up.
I get out.
Swing your feet out.
I get out, so don't help me.
I'm just going to help you so you don't fall over.
If you don't help me, I get out a lot easier.
Okay.
Please, show me your hand.
Officers responded to reports of a man firing a gun. Dontrell Hood initially cooperated, but then suddenly went back to grab his firearm. That reckless act forced officers to open fire to stop him. Defying orders and attempting to use a weapon in front of police is never a safe choice.
Flat on the ground. No.
Hey! No! No!
Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it.
It's over there. It's over there by
Don't do it. Don't move.
Just save your life.
A suspect tried to flee after being pursued due to a federal warrant. The situation escalated when officers approached and he was still holding a gun. As always, reckless behavior only leads to a worse ending.
Hands up! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! He's fired! Get in there! Get in there! Get on the floor! Shots fired! Shots fired! Get on the floor! Get on the floor!
Put the board down.
Oklahoma police arrived after receiving reports of a man yelling and threatening children in a neighborhood. The suspect began cursing and threatening officers, and things grew more serious when he attacked them and ignored every command. The law can be patient, but but aggression toward police always leads to only one outcome.
What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Hey, why? What's going on? No. Where do you live at? I have a home. What are you doing over here? Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around, man. Put the board down. Put the board, put the stick down. Put it down. Stop!
Oh my God. No way. What the
A dangerous suspect fought violently even after Canadian officers used a taser on him. The situation became even more serious when he managed to grab an axe. Additional officers quickly arrived to help subdue him. Fighting and attacking the police is the fastest way to land yourself in legal trouble. A woman was caught stealing at Walmart, but instead of admitting it, she strongly denied everything. Unfortunately for her, the security cameras didn't agree. At an airport in Florida, a woman began screaming and accusing Spirit Airlines staff of stealing her luggage after she left it to go to the restroom. Even when police intervened, she still couldn't control herself. In the end, the law had to step in. When arrogant words go too far, consequences come much faster than expected. Thanks for watching When People Missed with the Wrong Cops. Which moment shocked you the most? Do you think the officers reacted appropriately? Share your thoughts below and don't forget to subscribe.